KBB.com Brand Image Awards. This GMC Sierra 1500 boasts a gas V8 6.2 liters/376 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wireless charging, transmission, 8-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking, trailer brake controller, integrated. This GMC Sierra 1500 comes equipped with these options: suspension package, off-road includes C71 chrome side front fender emblems, monotube Rancho branch shocks and K47, air cleaner, JHD, hill descent control and NZZ, underbody shield. SLT crew cab premium plus package includes NZP, 20 chrome clad wheels, UD5, front and rear park assist, UVD, heated steering wheel, A48. Power sliding rear window, BBQ, 6 rectangular chrome tubular assist steps, UQA, Bose premium audio system, IO6, IntelliLink 8 diagonal color touch audio system with navigation, Y86, enhanced driver alert package, AN3, front bucket seats, KB6, heated and vented seating, CGN, spray-on bed liner and PDP. Full LED headlamps. Enhanced driver alert package includes UHX, lane keep assist, TQ5, IntelliBeam headlamps, UD5, front and rear park assist and UEU, forward collision alert, safety alert seat, tires, P275/55R20 all-terrain, BLACKWALL, stone blue metallic, seats, front full feature leather appointed bucket with KA1, heated seat cushions and seat backs. Includes 10-way power driver and front passenger seat adjusters, including 2-way power lumbar control, 2-position driver memory, adjustable head restraints, DO7, floor console and storage pockets. Includes K4C, wireless charging, seating, heated and vented perforated leather appointed front bucket, rear axle, 3.23 ratio, jet black, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, GVWR, 7,200 pounds. 3,266 kg. Stop by today for a must-own GMC Sierra 1500. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia D9T3L3. Just minutes away.